Hey guys, welcome to another video from CybrZoom. We're going to go ahead and do another video right here. This is a point of view video. Definitely thanks to Vehicle Virgins for giving us some of this content to talk over. He does this is his finger kind of going through the UI, but the point of view drive is actually going to be starting in 1 minute, but let's take 1 minute right here and go through the GUI. A lot of the standard ride heights that you can go to, picking. We got low, medium, high, and then of course the extract mode that everybody likes to talk to and speak to. But the UI is quite similar to most other Teslas, and you can, pretty much get really into it. You can go to chill mode, standard mode. What's different here is you can have your preferred ride height for low or high with the Cybertruck, because it does have a varying 12-inch ride height capability to go up or down. But again, you can go into the off-road mode that completely changes the dynamic of the car and how it does go. But if you look over here to the left, it will show the ride height of 12 inches. It's got it on high when he's going to be driving right now. Obviously, when you go into focus, you can go into a focus mode, which we're going to see later on in this video. Be sure and stick around for that. That will show you how the truck actually behaves differently. Now, we're going to go forward just like any other Tesla, forwards and backwards. What's different here, again, up above here, you can actually choose to go where the emergency flasher is above that mirror. You actually have a tactile button to go park, forward, and reverse. Now, as promised, here at the 1 minute mark, we are going to do a POV drive. I'm going to let some music play right now, just so you don't have to listen to me talk, just to kind of see and feel what it looks like while you're driving the Cybertruck. You're going to see right now he's turning into a parking lot. Pay attention how much he's turning the steering wheel with the steer-by-wire. Absolutely crazy, because when he turns right here, that's as far as it goes. And look at the truck. Look at the turning radius. Almost imagine driving your car or truck and how many times you would have already had to fold over your hands. He hasn't even folded over. It's just you're turning it left and right just a little bit. Just not even 90 degrees. Also, it does have a tactile horn, which is kind of new for any Tesla that's out there. There's usually a delay. This is instant, and the horn actually works. Let's go ahead and get back to the drive. You're going to see him right here switch to the sport mode, as well as switching a little bit later to the focus mode, which is going to be tightening the suspension overall. This is something that I wanted to go ahead and let run just to kind of keep some music going and see what it would feel like to actually drive in the Cybertruck itself. Hadn't really seen any videos out here like this, so wanted to throw that in here. Hey guys, be sure and like and subscribe. We definitely appreciate the support. The brand, the info, and the news, that's all we do here at CybrZoom.
CybrZoom.